Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing something crazy and I'm going to be seeing what is inside of the Square-1. So let's get right on to the video. So over here I'm just going to pop out the green face and you can just take the screw out, and there's only one screw in the Square-1. If you guys never seen this entire Square-1, this is going to be like really fascinating. I have opened it once, but I did want to do it once on the camera. I'm gonna be starting this new series where I do like inside of puzzles. I did one for the Pandora cube. Whoa, that's a long screw. And let's see, the screw wasn't that hard to take out from the Pandora cube. So there's the magnets, if you haven't noticed. This is a Yushin Little Magic Square-1, so here we go. How it comes out. Wait, what? I don't know how it comes out. Oh. Okay, guys, so there is a layer. Okay, I'll show you guys the mechanism. So here's the block that attaches all the layers magnetically. And then the slices you do is over here. So it's a magnetic core. So let me just, oh no, how do I do that? How do I do that? So here is the core, which is, there's like magnets inside and they just attach, and then when you do a slice move, that's how it looks like. I'll just put it back because there's a lubricant. I did lubricate it, that's why I know why it's lubricated so much. I was thinking, why is it lubricated? And let me just put the pieces back because I really don't want to break this to break. But this, this was actually like really cool. If I can flip it around. Oh, what was that? Okay, so it's just the same thing on the opposite side. Alright, so that's cool, I guess. Let me just put the screw back, because let me just show you guys how big this screw is. Wait, I want to do something. Where's my ruler? Alright, so here's my ruler. It's kind of translucent, so I'll just tell you what the size is. But here it is. I'll do it in inches and then centimeters also. So it is around 2 inches. So that's actually a pretty big screw. I'll also tell you what the size of a normal screw is. So in centimeters, that's also around 5 centimeters. That's crazy, guys. Like, that's this big screw. Like, if I tried to fit this big screw in a 3x3, I think that's pretty much almost the whole cube. So yeah, I think the screw is like 2 times as big as a normal screw on 3x3. But the good thing for Square-1, there's only one screw, so all you have to do is to lubricate the core, is just lubricate this one screw and you're done. I don't know if I'm doing the right tensions, or I think this feels pretty smooth. I'll do like one turn. I don't know how to tension a Square-1, so okay. Oh, okay. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, as I need more subscribers. And yeah, I post every Sunday, and I really appreciate you guys coming and watching, spending your time in their day to watch my videos. But again, like this video, hit the subscribe button, and see you guys next time.